So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Digital Pero, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create animated subscribe button for your YouTube videos. So in case you have been wondering how to do this, you can see something like this, even this one. So right now, you just want to pay attention from beginning to the very end so you get to learn how you can go about creating this. For us to create this, we are going to be using Canva and CapCut. Do you understand? Those two applications. We will use Canva to design the subscribe button, then we will use CapCut to add it to our video and also animate it. So now let's just proceed and start right away. But before we get started, if you are new on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you go value watching this. So right now I'll be heading to my Canva to create this button so that I get to learn how I go about it. So I get to open Canva. So once this load like this, what you want to do is you look for where we have YouTube thumbnail. So let me scroll down. Can you see YouTube thumbnail right here? So once I open that, so right here to bring some template for me to use. I guess you can see this template right here, but for me, I don't want to use any of these templates. I need a blank page. So I just click on back so that I can be on the blank page. As you can see right here, we are on the blank page of YouTube thumbnail. So I want to make this a green screen effect. So I'll tap on the blank page. Once I tap on the blank page, then I'll come to where we have color down here. So go ahead and choose green. I just chose green. So the importance of this green screen is that you can easily remove the background whenever you want to use it on your videos. So I'm done with that part. So the next thing I want to do right now is for me to insert a shape. So let's go ahead and insert a shape. So right here, insert any kind of shape you want for yourself, but I recommend you insert circle because it will make it look finer for you. So you can see we have one circle right here. Then over here, I'll edit the color of the shape to something like let's say white. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm expanding the shape. So I'll tap on the color down here to make it white. So next thing I want to do right now is I'll insert subscribe button. So for me to insert subscribe button, I'll go ahead and click on elements down here. That was the same thing I clicked when I wanted to insert a shape. I clicked on elements in case you missed that. So I'll also click on elements again. So once I click on elements, then I'll search for subscribe button. So I'll click on back, then I'll come over here and search for subscribe button. Subscribe button. Can you see? So right here, they will load up several subscribe buttons for you. So you get to choose anyone that you feel is the best for you. So if I should click on see all right here, I'll get to see more subscribe button right here. Can you see all of them? Let's choose this first one. Can you see? So just put that down right here. So you can also reduce the size by pinching it in. So I just did that. So what I want to do right now is I want to insert a shape so that I can write my name, my YouTube name on that shape. So I'll just come to where we have elements. Once I click on elements, you can see we have shape right here. Then I'll click on see all. Once I click on see all, then I get to select any shape I want. So I'll choose this first one, which is rectangular. Once I choose that, then I'll edit the shape to fit what I want. So let's make it bigger. I see what I'm doing. It's looking better this way. So you can make the shape white by tapping on color right here. Make it white. So let's move it down a bit and also move the subscribe button down a bit so that everything fits. So I see what I'm doing. So what I'll do next is I'll shift the subscribe button down a bit so that there will be space there. So once I do that, then this will look like this. So now I can now write a name. So let me write a name. So I'll write something like Digital Pero. So I just inserted a text, then I'll write Digital Pero. Are you seeing that? So let's move the text so that it's also aligned. Awesome. So this is looking great. So you can also change the font of the text if you want a different font. So just tap on the text itself, and down here you get to see fonts, and you get to select any font you want. Are you seeing the several fonts we have down here? So you get to select anyone that you want. So let's leave it like this for now. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to insert a frame. You want to insert a frame, yeah. So before I insert a frame, I want to first select everything and group it.
so that I can now align it, then insert my frame. So I'll tap on the circle. Once I tap on the circle, like I'll place my hand on the circle till it brings out this select multiple. So I'll click on select multiple. Then I now go ahead and select all the elements I inserted. So I just picked that. I picked this also, and also this rectangle. So I'll click on group right here. So you can see that now I can move everything the same time. Are you seeing that? So now I can easily align it to be on the center of the page. So now let's go ahead and insert a frame. So the advantage of this frame is that we'll be able to like put our picture on the frame or our YouTube logo. Once I search for frame right here, then so once you search for frame, it will bring all this frame for you. Then you get to pick circle frame. Are you seeing that? So now let's put the circle frame inside the circle shape and also increase the size a bit so that it will fit in. Are you seeing that? So now it's looking better. So next thing is for us to put our YouTube logo, either our YouTube logo or our profile picture, like our face. So I'll go to gallery. Once I click on gallery, then I'll insert a picture of myself. So I'll just tap on this, then I'll click on add page. Once I click on add to page, then I'll put it inside the frame like this. Are you seeing that? So now we are done creating a subscribe button. Like I guess you can see this. So now it's not for me to teach you how to animate it, like how to make it move on your videos. So let's first save this. If you want to save it, come to this button up here to save it. Click on download. Then you get to save it by clicking on download again. So once this is done saving, awesome. Can you see it is done saving right now?
All right, now we are done creating the animated subscribe button. Do you understand? So now it's now time for us to go ahead and add it to our video so that we can post it on YouTube. So I'll be going straight to my CapCut right now. Do you understand? Whereby I get to show you guys how you can add it to your videos. So just ensure you pay attention. This is the final part of the tutorial.
So I'll go to CapCut right here. Once I go to CapCut, then I get to insert the video I want to add my subscribe button to. So I'll click on new project. Once I click on new project, so I'll just choose a video. So once I pick a video, then I'll click on add. So this has been added to the project. So right here, let's add the button we just created. So come to where we have overlay. Once you click on overlay, click on add overlay. Then come over here and go to where we have photos. So you can see what we just created right here. So I'll tap on it, then add it to my project. Are you seeing? So the next thing is for us to remove this green background. So once you tap on the image itself, then come to down here, you get to see where we have remove background. Let's scroll down. Let's swipe. I mean, can you see remove background right here? So once I tap on remove background, click on chroma key. Once I tap on chroma key, then move this circle shape on it till you get green. Can you see we have green right now? So now tap on intensity. So now move the intensity till the green remove totally. Can you see it has removed totally? So now you click on check to complete the process. So that is done. So the next thing is for us to animate it. So for us to animate it, tap on the image again. Once you tap on it again, then down here you get to see animations. Can you see animations? Then you get to choose the animation you want. Can you see the several animations we have right here? So let me choose this third one, which is slide right. So can you see? So you can also reduce the speed by moving this. Can you see? If you put it on 3, so I guess you can see that. So you can also come down here to add a sound where you have audios. So come to where you have sound, then look for where you have ding. That is the sound you get to add. So search for ding. So it means that people always get to hear the subscribe bell when your subscribe button pops up. So can you see ding right here? So just download this and add it to your edit. This is very simple. So now let's play the video again. Are you seeing? Let me increase the volume of the sound we added. So I'll increase the volume a bit. So let's play the video again. Did you hear that? So that's basically how you get to like add animated subscribe button to your videos.
So now I believe by now you now know how you can add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos. How you can add a customized animated subscribe button to your YouTube videos. So I believe you got value watching this. If you actually did, ensure you subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment if you actually enjoyed this video, and also like this video, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.